welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia for those who are new here, and welcome to the squad. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, watch the video to the end. And guys, let's walk in the streets of Eastleigh. It's been a while I have not been into Eastleigh, and I thought, why not? I should tag you along, so let's have fun. There is traffic jam, so be patient and make sure you watch the video to the end. So guys, let's go. We have to be patient, guys. Oh, there is an accident here. Look. I don't know what's going on, but so guys. This is Eastleigh, and I love it. If you have been here in the streets of Eastleigh, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Eastleigh. Today I'm walking, so I think I should go to the other side. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe on the video ends. I think I should walk along this street. Guys, there is a lot of traffic jam, as you can see. Let me show you. This is traffic jam, So let's keep on walking around, guys, as I show you. So guys, you can see how Eastleigh has developed, guys, because of Somali people. I think these people are doing a lot of work, guys. Yeah, Eastleigh, Somali people are overworking here in Eastleigh. I think they are doing a great job. What? Hey, YouTube channel yangu ya YouTube. So guys, I think people here are very social, not like the other time I had bad experience. So remember last time I had a bad experience about it. But guys, nowadays I think people have been used to social media. That's why. Oh, sorry. So guys, let's keep on walking around, guys. I'll show you. This is the new face. Oh, this is the new face of Eastleigh 2023. Not like before, guys. Not like before. I think the streets are good. And if you have not subscribed, can you subscribe? Road to 5,000 subscribers, guys. Hey, I know we can make it. I know we can make it. Excuse me, yes. So let's keep on walking. I don't know where to pass, but yeah. Unaitwa nani? Uko na smartphone. Kwa YouTube ukipata mtu anaitwa Claudia Walk. Mimi huonyesha watu vile niko develop. Yaani just walk on the road. Nikaonyesha hao watu wako majuu waone vile Kenya tunaendelea. Tomorrow nitakuwa tu hapa.
Sasa ni wapi tena mwana wa?
Hapana, ni YouTube channel yangu.
Na unajua kwa TV gani?
YouTube tu. YouTube. Utakuwa hapa? Sawa, asante. So guys, let's keep on walking around. Hey. Yeah. So guys, finally, this is the BBS Mall. I don't know whether you can see it. This is the BBS Mall, and I don't know. Nowadays they are not allowing people to cross from inside, so I won't go there. So you will bear with me. I'll just show you around. Yeah. Oh, let's go on the other side. There is traffic here. Woo. I just want to go to the other side. Oh, look at these beautiful houses here. Really good, really good, really good. So let's go, guys. Guys, from afar, this is the BBS Mall. Guys, that is the BBS Mall there, guys. And today I'm not going to vlog inside because of some security reasons. I know they won't allow me to go inside, but anyway, we will try another day. So good. The mall is so big. Actually, it's the largest mall in East and Central Africa. So guys, let's keep on walking. Also, guys, you can see the new build apartments. Don't know whether you can see. Oh, I misplaced myself somewhere. are the buildings, the new apartments. So let's keep on walking, guys. Hey, and if you have not subscribed, can you make sure you subscribe? Also, if you love the video, just give it a like. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about Eastleigh. Oh, look at this beautiful apartment here. Oh, it's so good. Wow. I don't know whether you can see it very well. It's tall building here. Yeah. Oh, you can see the mall is so big. Even we have not. Remember, we started from the other side, that far end, up to here. You see how the mall is so big. So this is BBS Mall, guys. Some of you have heard about this BBS Mall. Oh, let me get away somewhere. I'll show you around. Oh, sorry about that. I went to find a way because of that truck there. It has blocked the road. So guys, let me continue showing you around. Hi. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Actually, Eastleigh is changing very fast. Eastleigh is changing very fast. Because last time I came here, it was not like this. Actually, these apartments were not there. These ones, eh? So guys, I think I should end my video here. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Make sure you give a like and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.